Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGYP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere that can lead to clutter. So let's try to keep this as decluttered as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance, and that's actually already played out. So 28 cents was a level of support going into today, and then this afternoon the price broke below it. And then you can see late afternoon there was a couple bounces. However, both of those bounces did get rejected at that 28 cent mark. Now, I'm not saying that the price can never get back above 28. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price failed to get back above that area after having fallen down below it. In the event the price can push back up above 28 cents, the next key overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself further and further downwards, and that'll be the level where it's hard to assign a numerical value. Yeah, right now it's valued at 32, but like I said, that value will move and change. But one step at a time, and the price first has to just get back above 28 cents. Now, what about levels of support? As far as the next potential area of support going forward, I realize the chart's kind of harder to see here, but we got to go back a bit in the chart's history here. And the next key overarching level of support down there at the 26 cent mark. So we'll see if the price is now going to drift down to 26 cents. That would not be very shocking. But all in all, not the best start to the week. We'll see if the bulls can try to turn things around or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.